cleaned up some stuff. Hopefully now, we're basically now on a tune just without boost. Because we can't control the boost right now. We don't know how to. So it's on wastegate pressure. But the timing and AFR should be okay. It's really low timing still. But it's basically really air-fuel ratio that we're just messing with. So should be okay now. Let's go try it out. Oh, oh here. How are you? Good. How's the tires? Good?
Yeah, glad you got them on. They actually look really nice too. Wow. And it's and I think Nutley had 17s. I thought you were gonna put like a whole different set of like wheels or something.
No, I was just gonna throw on these for now. I was like, hey.
No rubbing or anything?
Nope.
I mean, nice or not, but
nope. They're 17x8, so they fit all right. And then when I get my 17x9s, then I can run 2.
It's funny because like if you don't know what you're looking at, then you don't even know these are like.
Yeah, no. I'm actually, dude. I wish I didn't. I wish I didn't have the hood though.
I hope I'm used better than that. Even
What's
though
that?
Doors are 305.
Oh, they're just thicker. Maybe because they're just new still.
No, because they're old.
Oh, okay.
AJ bought brand new. I was checking my car.
Dude, I actually wasn't like I was staring at the fucking stories, like just going back and forth because of color.
Dude, it's so insane why she bought this. She just wanted like a
black badge too.
She wanted like a fancy, comfortable car, so she decided to pick one up.
Yeah, this is nice.
So I don't mind my fault like
What? Is that yours?
Yeah,
that's hella funny.
But we have it's for an M3. It won't fit. So we have to like trim the edges.
Oh, okay.
So we have to like custom fab.
Dude, this is fucking so nice actually. Like I was just staring at this color. Look at that color.
It's just like a daily. It's not fast or anything. It's just comfortable.
What's up, baby? How are you? Oh, there you go.
But yeah, no, I spend like crazy on these middles. They're just worn out, but I'm probably gonna get the same size.
Damn, 305s.
Yeah, I mean
that is the fattest, probably the setup I've ever seen.
The fattest this car can fit. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see
that,
really well too, but
this is the fattest.
Damn.
This is the fattest and F30.
Oh, those are yours?
Those are AJ's.
I just tell them something like that.
These are fucking fat, dude.
But
like the boulder one.
A little bit when we get really hard.
You see the rubbing?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Like when I'm driving, yeah, I don't rub or anything. But if I hit like one of those like sewer like manual,
the big ass.
Oh yeah, it'll go.
That makes sense. Is there something crazy you had to do to get that shit to fit?
Take off the fender liner, and then on the passenger side, there's like a little like harness that you have to, like kind of sticks out, so you just have to zip tie up the brace. You need coilovers because you have to raise it higher than stock.
Oh.
So 130 was not even gonna say. It's okay. Can't let anybody know.
Folsom, white people area.
Yeah, legit. This is where I work up that way too. That's crazy. More car care. Oh, Moby car care.
Look at this, but there's the YouTube, but Coach had it, but
you're looking too much now. Look what you did. I never popped my head.
You spend money, you gotta show it.
Nah, I never show.
Yeah.
I didn't even know where Grandpa V went. I just saw him go by when we did the U-turn.
Was that him?
I think so.
What you do?
I didn't see no.
What's the run mean? So I was like, I'll run him.
I didn't see no V.
I'll run them too.
Is Nigel
as long as I get my rerun when I'm retuned.
Is Nigel
I want street tires, so I'll spin no matter what. But I was fine. I was about to do a burnout. Like, bro, it's a street tire. I can't run on the street.
Doesn't do nothing. Hey, you know what I seen, Jello? I seen someone took the they had a bottom mount on this shit. Yeah. And they just did the wastegate
with the cover. Yeah.
Yeah, you can literally rotate it.
Yeah, you just rotate it up like a J pipe.
Oh shit.
That's what happened.
That's hella funny, bro. Oh, cop. I gotta like go. The boy. These tires are so fat, dude. Look at this. I can't even stick my finger in it.
I said, hold up. Wait.
This is a drag pack. And apparently it works, but look at this, bro. Can you guys see that? It's like, jeez. Move your finger in his tire, that's crazy. Even the fronts. Look at that, that's crazy. But yeah, so you think he's a lower pulley and a tune and on E. Oh shit, stepped on something. What is that? A cigarette butt. But yeah, it's pretty crazy. But I guess he wants to run me right now. Again, you guys already know I'm only on gate right now, but he did promise you a rerun after. So after I'm tuning also, he said we can do a rerun. He'll be on fully as well. So this is gnarly. And of course, you guys know Angelo's car.
Unnecessary.
Let's see if we can get a better.
Like from looks, yeah. It looked cool. It looked cool. Don't get me wrong, but like,
You know what a lot of people go on those? A lot of people go.
Look how medium.
Why are you running?
You gotta do me like that.
Like what?
Like that. Put a bus on me. So right now it's a boosted Civic versus the V. I hope I'm trying to get another run with the V too, just for the heck of it, because I feel like I never got a good run with him. And the one run that was decent, I felt like I was right on him after he pulled off the count.